Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in the Holland Bamboo area. So I want to make a tour in the middle quarters area. So you just can sit down and relax and catch a view. Because you know in Jamaica we have some nearby community. We never really get our chance to see it. So keep on watching guys. Yeah man, so Holland Bamboo with there. Man, see the pretty bamboo there now. Remember, see our middle quarters we are going on. So yes, some people. So when you come to middle quarters, see it here. Now if you get them peppery shrimp, yeah, see it there. Very, very peppery, very, very delicious. Yeah man. Tell us the thing kind of. I always bring in a bottle of water, so if you come at middle quarters, just feel free to stop and get in the peppery shrimp, you know? Imagine if you get one of the cup of the soup, perfect. So, remember, St. Elizabeth Parish is the best. Yo man, see the shrimp them here. Nice. Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. Big up on yourself anyone now watch from. So my location is in the middle quarters area. So I'm giving a tour of one place that I'm calling Pint Road. Yeah man, so Pint Road. So if you're from the middle quarters area and you know that place here, yeah man, big up yourself. Pint Road, we want to go on Pint Road now. So I make the right turn right here. They will take us for Pint Road. Yeah man, so big up on yourself again. Remember say I know where I know Jamaica, you know. Our beautiful island Jamaica. Pint Road. So this road can take you back out to Montego Bay, New Market. And all back so to the middle quarters roundabout. We are supposed to know the roundabout there. We not come from Montego Bay, Black River, Santa Cruz. We all pass the roundabout there. So that's how we can get our peppery shrimp also. So if you know something about this community and you want to share it, you can leave it in the comment section. Yeah man, make we know what go on. Cause so many times we want to land for buying in some areas, you know, and want to know each other feedback about the area and stuff. But currently now I'm on the Pint Road area. Them say Jamaica is a small island, you know, but there are many different turn-off in Jamaica, I tell you now. We never think about. So when you're in the Pint Road area, it's about 60 minutes drive to Black River and about 20 minutes drive to Santa Cruz. Also depends on the speed you're driving. So big up yourself, Anjay. Big up yourself. Anyway you watch from, big up yourself. So guys, when I take the time out for me to know say one love and one heart, you know. Yeah man, if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. Yeah man, see a sound them calling him Magnum Force. Or remember that sound there? Magnum Force. Yeah man, Magnum Force, them big sound there. We play with Stone Love, Metro Media. So you see where this road take you? Yeah man, so this road will take you, if you make the right turn, will take you back to the middle quarters roundabout area. So this road will take you back to Whitehall. Must know the place them call him Whitehall. Yeah man, Whitehall, New Market, them place there. Big up yourself, Natty. So we're having some nice weather today in our beautiful island Jamaica, the land we love. So if you love Jamaica, leave in the comment section. If you love Jamaican food, just leave in the comment section which Jamaican food you love. Don't know, for me, love me steamed fish and okra. Where I get the best steamed fish I ever eat is in St. Elizabeth. That is St. Elizabeth in Manchester. One place them call name Liquor Orchie. So if you know Liquor Orchie, leave in the comment section and say, yeah man, me know Liquor Orchie. Yeah. Wow. Look at this beautiful road right here in the Whitehall area. Very, very nice road condition. And you're right, they sell flowers and fruit cheap on the right. So if you not come through the Whitehall area, if you don't want to the flowers to buy, you can check out in this area in Whitehall. So the nearest town area is in the New Market for the Whitehall people. Some people would rather go to Santa Cruz and Black River because you get more stuff in those two areas, in Santa Cruz and Black River. So I get a lot of rain from the other day in Jamaica, you know. A whole heap of rain we get in Jamaica from the other day. Place look green. You know, it's good for the farmers them, you know, for farmers them plant them crop. Dry weather come. And they don't get to reap anything because, you know, no farmers them are depend upon them crop for send them picnic or school take care of them family members. So some of the time it can be very hard for the farmers them to survive when the dry weather. Even when you have too much water on the crop, it still can cause a problem. You never hear about a thing where say too much of one thing no good. I real talk, you know, my people. I real talk, man. Too much of one thing no good. So in their life, always remember half a bread is better than nothing. Some people just want everything for themselves, but too much of one thing no good. On your left, right here, we have a Fesco gas station. If you want to go a Montego Bay and no short on gas, you can stop at the Fesco gas station right here on your left. Yeah, man, so the thing set, you know. This left turn right here, you see the left turn here? You see the sign mark Ministry of Education and the United Church in Jamaica and the Cayman Island. So Giddy Hall Primary School. This way will take you all to Giddy Hall. Don't know if you all know about the community with them calling him Giddy Hall. So that's where take you to Giddy Hall on your left right here. So if you don't come from Whitehall area, see that sign here? I don't know if you can see that sign right here, say no. Sign here say Whitehall, Content, Happy Grove, Louisville, Kilmarnock and Newmarket. So this place take you to them area. If you make the left turn, you see where it's take you to Giddy Hall, Prospect, Johnson, Bloomberry. Yeah, man, so no Jamaica with Fire Reid. We swear so we know Jamaica, you know, but me are telling us so we don't know Jamaica yet. I try if you know Jamaica to the best way I can to, you know, but I feel like I know everywhere Jamaica. I would be lying if I say I know every place in Jamaica. I'm trying to know some places just like you too. But to be fact and to be truthful, most Jamaican don't know Jamaica. People from overseas know Jamaica more than our Jamaican people. Because when people come from foreign, you know, them try to explore this beautiful island to different places. When we as a Jamaican, we stay home and don't go out in our beautiful island and enjoy it, you know. We don't do that. See, I want to right turn this and see we take on to Sherika. What's it, Sherika Drive? Or come like I want bar over that side there. Yeah, man, so that's the thing set, you know. Kind of lovely weather condition in the day, yeah. So it's like about 10:43 a.m. in the Whitehall area. Look at the beautiful sky. It's so vibrant. Remember back in the days when I drive through them area going to Montego Bay. If you saw one jerk shop right over here, so jerk shop here, I tell us jerk chicken are better than jerk pork, you know, back in them days there. Because things kinda change in Jamaica, you know. Things change a lot. See, you have like a GGS bar. So I don't really see what I go and seafood. Them places used to get our jerk pork and jerk chicken. Nice jerk pork, man. Never used to eat pork in them days there and stop the one day and say, me try a piece. Somebody introduced me to that pork there and me try one small piece and tell us that pork that tastes good, eh? Say, yeah man, big up yourself, big up yourself. Big up yourself, chef, big up yourself. Pork tastes good. Yeah man, so it's not like I used to eat pork, but until the day I stop right at that jerk place. Taste piece of the pork, man, and the pork tastes good. But you know, everybody eat different. Some people don't eat pork and things, so big up all the vegetarian them, big up on yourself. Hope you reach where I go today, brother. I don't know what kind of hear saying that today, but hope you reach where I go today. That man is driving he's driving like it's an undertaker bus. So I don't know what the speed of the here, so if I saw today he want to go around some corner and blow me off of the road. So I tell you how them Jamaica people are staying, you know. Imagine say the man a drive one undertaker bus. Not like he's driving an emergency vehicle. You know, everybody have a time frame for do what they have to do. But don't try to blow people off of the road, man. Drive safe and go about your business, because you're only gonna make two problems. Because if you wanna reach to your destination and you make an accident eventually, that's just the end of the story. You don't reach your destination. So take the time on the road and navigate, because if you want to go someplace, leave early enough. You don't have to speed, but we Jamaicans, we love leave and way. If we are going one place 10 o'clock, if we reach one place 10 o'clock, we are leave from our location exactly 10 o'clock, and exactly must reach 10 o'clock. That don't make no sense. So just leave early enough so we can reach your destination. But how the speed on the road for kill off people. So just do the right thing, with people. Do the right thing, you know. see the same bridging them up on the road there now. Same bridging them on the road where I kill up themselves. So this party man them park up here. So you see it, don't know if the man them having a drink or something, but the man them in a piece of haste on the road. So we are now in the Happy Grove area.